One of the time he come like he want to cry. When he say it's for the people, you can see, me don't know if nobody else was watching feeling. Every word that him say, it a come from down in the belly button. Because I understand and I know what life people go through because I've been there. Right now, look here. Now you're the man saying giving life to we, man. We don't want nothing more. All we have to do is stand up against him, make him give him the third term. Me give him the third term.
Where you live, Mama Joy? Where you live?
I'm going to do any park. I'm going to like me can't go for him. I'm burn out, like I did burn out Porsche. Straight up, me's a plain person. Anything me go do, me go tell us me go do it, me go do it. Him have to get the third term. That is a must. Seal and signed by God.
That is it. Campbell, one love, we all got emotional. We did. We all got emotional.
Candling.
I think we're the same consequences.
Miss Jai, Bridget and the whole of them are the same doing the park.
Yeah, man, me tell you something.
Doing the park of political labor rights, then just leave one good candidate.
What, Donna Francis or surname?
Yeah, Donna Francis, make him boy.
Okay, all right, Miss Jai. All right.
In the nice. And then look here, them now work with we. And all right, this is the youth where Andrew Gill was the first councillor. And me tell you something.
We want Andrew Gill, Mr. Jai, we want Andrew Gill to come do it, but he need his support.
Tell you something. Right, them kind of Andrew types.
Andrew, good youth, good youth, good boy.
Are you
excellent in the box to make him calm now?
You understand me? He's a good youth. Me say all by him local election. Me say Labour right go get them $10,000 and put on orange clothes and go vote. It me tell you something, it grieve me. It grieve me. Nobody
Nathaniel Eddie know him there. Nathaniel Eddie know him.
Right. All right. You see the next youth where they run the other day? Me I talk to him on Tuesday concerning this conference team.
One band green. Well, I feel nice to them, not tell a lie.
What I'm trying to big box up here.
Where's the big box for the birthday girl?
One birthday girl, Carla.
Big up my friend. Big up.
You know, you see what God do? And give him showers of blessing after. Because I pray to him and I say, Father God, I'm wash out every conference, you know.
I don't know why you can't post green art, because everybody else posts green art over here. Carla, so you celebrate your birthday, miss?
I'm going to Wallis tonight.
You got Wallis, where part? Raytown?
You know so.
Happy place.
Sure, we dance, we're going to do a Raytown tonight.
You hear the music now?
Dirty wine.
You this?
No, sir.
Dirty wine, go.
We hear the music plan.
Me can't play the music, somebody play music.
So this the green art I post, this the Angela post green art there. So I don't know how you can post your card on. Carla, boss wine, you know, boss wine. Excellent. You don't cry, my friend.
Well, I tell you, sir. But then I still on the body, I tell them what my crowd to see everything but to them, man.
All right, not sure no. Some people cry when they're emotion, and me just talk and cuss when me emotion. Look how them a ball. Look how Black Knight, Dark Knight a ball.
Yeah, I'm very emotional.
you don't see me about top 10 life on me.
Me conference go scream like a girl till in on a voice.
I'm not an emotional person, I tell you the truth. What time I watch
No, me cry
TV
sometimes.
and water that I fall out of my eye when I see certain things.
Yo, me happy Mario. Me just feel good. You know, you just feel good that the covenant they just come over here. Your body just feel full of cold bomb. And so
Yeah,
me
tell you.
feel when me see it.
Well, Mr.
Me
Green,
see quarter rum take away in a arena. Me see Appleton take away. Me see Iron King like Sun take away. Me see on about 4 bag of on go take away. Me see lighter, me see ratchet, me see this, me see that, and that's just so in the
The
drum.
police? And the police
Yeah,
that
you
take them,
cannot go in there with none of them something there.
Okay.
yeah, man, no unruly in this, man. You have to
Yo,
learn to behave himself.
all right. That's the control we want.
Yeah, man.
That's it. That is it. That's right.
And guess what I love about it?
I'm proud of my
I go
part.
in there and I hear everybody clearly with them talk. Nah,
No,
ling, 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 ling.
no friggin' vuvuzela.
No,
Mr. Green plan till it come like when me up in the
boo.
plane and I look over Jamaica, be a green.
Then right now me have all my green at work, you know.
Yeah, I
Me
tell you, man.
me aware, but me dead there.
Yeah, man.
And that some people don't know about real labor right. We are real. You see like how Ninja Man say, you see like how Ninja Man say real Dan Gargan.
Yo, me on TikTok I watch it and I pay out and out. Me have to find YouTube and go watch it because YouTube we get the whole like.
But brother, me have my tablet, me take out my tablet,
Yeah.
and me have my phone. So my tablet I run and my phone I run. Me don't want to miss nothing.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
Anybody
can
said
tell you, I have a
conference
permanent
back today.
smile. I have a
Anybody said a
permanent,
crowd that the
I have
people
a
them in our
permanent
community
smile.
say, of course, me
Hold on,
experience
hold on,
conference,
hold on,
more
hold on the
experience it
caller.
again.
Hold on the caller. Where's the kids?
I said I have a permanent smile on my face.
Yeah,
Since
man.
the conference start, me just a smile, then me cry a little bit, then me smile again. Then me jump up and me clap and me shout out. Then me smile at me tell us, God, man, it was so lovely. It was beautiful. The organizers of this conference, they did deserve a standing ovation.
And this is what I like. When the Prime Minister come in, the police them on the ass, just back off the people them, and them just let the caravan go straight through.
We couldn't walk through the big gate, plan. We don't walk through the big gate where it's like for the Prime Minister come through. We walk in at the car park where everybody there sell. And when we enter the gate, we get a search. Before we go in and before, we not talk about arena, you know. We go in the arena itself, you know. We get search to go in at the yard.
Yeah, man. Thing that is proper, man. No lose thing, you know.
So if you have knife, you're going to lose it. If you have a buckle, you can't go in there with the buckle. You have to left it at the gate.
Not even water buckle.
Only thing a plastic buckle alone can go in, but no glass buckle to the ground.
Them not throw me rubber campfire in a big water buckle.
That everybody do. That everybody do. And the police have been so serious that them cannot be in the buckle too long. See what happens.
Yeah, because glass bucket can't create that's it now, you know.
No, man, I enjoy it. I know I still talk about it. I when I go rate out tonight, I wear my green dress. The green properties and my green slippers.
Sure, Junior. Sure. Yeah,
So I make sure to take some picture.
Excellent. Yeah, the Panagrampi election.
What you mean?
Yeah, answer to the money.
Them me don't know me know the people when me talk to you in that night.
I mean, everybody have got the Panagram then, man.
Like it, man.
Beg on one box. I'm going to give Churchill a chance.
Hold on. We don't mean like that.
To Casco gone on tea time. God, Jesus. Junior, you got a conference, Junior?
Yeah, man, Junior said he was out there.
Yeah, man, called Junior. Junior said, take off today. Today, we work every day, and today is the only day I'm going to take off our work.
One of the box is empty, so somebody can request if they want. Churchill, how you feeling? How was the conference for you?
Why, it was wonderful. I wasn't there, you know. I watched it on YouTube. But I feel like I was there.
Exactly. We know so everybody couldn't fit there. We somehow we have to stay away.
Yeah, man, I feel like I was there. I mean, I'm a person like this. Then say big man no cry, but trust me, water come up in my eye today, man, I tell you. Jano.
Big up yourself, Churchill. Big up
A real
yourself.
man, yeah, Churchill, big man
Real
cry,
man.
real men cry.
No,
Yeah,
me tell you, man.
Churchill. Yeah, no.
It's just the feeling. It touched me deep in the core. To see where this government had the tonight and why. I tell you, I come from the 70s, you know. We come from the 70s. We come from when Manley landing at the place and take over the thing. And to see the transformation of Jamaica to where the promise and the hope of this government, not what they already, you know. It's just the promise and the hope. What we expect. And we know we are going to see it because like the Prime Minister said, him not promise him make. When he say I'm going to do something, it get done. And we can't feel it. We can't feel it, you know. We can't feel it. We
But
can't.
a lot of Jamaican people not that answer the things that go on them still me say me I tell us I come from Nigger this morning, me I tell you Portland me there right now. I Portland me there right now, me I tell us I travel, me left out 6 o'clock from Nigger this morning. Cause me have to come to Portland, cause me have some family with dead and me have to carry them up back. Yesterday was a funeral. Do you know? Me didn't want to go cross and go, but they never ready in time cause them have to go back to catch a plane at all. And me I tell us all the way me I come in, me I tell you, yo, I overload. No one them come vote same way like how them a jump on the bus them. Trust me, I tell you that. Yeah. I tell you.
Yeah, so when you do, just look ahead. Just try to vision ahead. What this government has done over the last few years. Just try to picture 5 years from now, gentle people. Just try to imagine.
Well, Jamaica look like a New York.
Right now, I tell you, man, because it really transform Jamaica. And people is going to be better.
Then I must.
Then just have to stick with this government. Because we know say the Prime Minister, him heart in it. Everything him a pour in this. Him saying live for Jamaica and giving life to Jamaica. And you can see it. There's a big difference between Andrew Holness and Marky British. Marky British don't care about Jamaica. I mean, I don't want to really talk about him. I just have to look to the future.
We don't want to highlight him. We don't want to highlight him. Yeah, we don't want to highlight him.
No, but
They're not about him at all.
You know, your boss said, I am the old, this time, we don't have to call them other people that name.
yeah.
No
Yeah.
recognition. No recognition. But Churchill, you know, when the boss big me up.
Oh, Andrew?
Yeah, you ever hear?
No, right
So,
now.
you never hear when him big you up that.
I mean big up. Your name big up.
He said to all the people in the diaspora watching, and me matter.
Oh, all of we, man, all of we. Yeah.
Uncle Joe,
Big up yourself, Mr. Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister knows say diaspora strong theme. 100%. Labor right there foreign like dirt, and we are flying with good money go vote.
When me go to the restaurant this morning, man, I may listen to me conference on my phone. If people then say, what you listen to? Me say conference. One of your restaurants say, Jesus Christ, me did this morning. A 5 labor right in here, you come in here with this.
you're lucky if I blast it through the speaker then.
Oh,
You know, say Plank and Kisdan, me tell you right now, people are foreign are appreciating this government. A lot of people are foreign are looking forward to go to Jamaica, see Jamaica prosper and progress again.
No.
No
But-
2 years
but-
about that. Now I tell you,
Mr. Churchill, let me say this.
You see it? Yeah, all right. Speak now.
I was just saying, we need to look seriously at this now. We have an issue because the Prime Minister come out and roll out policies after policies after policies to help everybody across society, young, poor, old, everybody. And we not hear nothing from the opposition. So when them run up and down as the time comes back,
No, man, them have secret. All them have is secret.
we need to have this discussion with Jamaicans. We need to have it.
Guys, Kizzy said something earlier.
Yes.
Kizzy said something earlier. I'm want to listen. When we are talking about electricity, we're there and listen with. You remember since the little election we go on the other day and we talk, you realize when I'm speech, I don't know if you don't hear, but me hear them take too long to deal with procurement. Them want to deal with it as soon as possible. The time is now. People need.
We talk about the bureaucracy, the whole paperwork, the agency, they're not efficient.
The long waiting.
People.
Yeah, the long waiting now go work. We need him say the time is now. People have needs and wants. No. Deal with them thing they know.
He mentioned it today too, you know. He mentioned it today.
They tell him.
Yeah,
Like, say, sometimes it feel like them are listening to we. Because
when
the things
they do listen.
The things that we are talking about on these platforms is the things that we are talking about. Him come with today.
What, Lexi? Lexi, everybody attack or you're pretty funny.
Come, Lexi, come. I'm gonna drop off you, Lexi. Come. Drop
out Mario, man. Drop out Mario.
Man, Yeti Bass. So on the road, not going back safely.
Mario,
some of them people at them agency, they trust me, come like them a sabotage the government. They want weed out. Enough of them.
Yes, Lexi, we know you're lucky. We know we're lucky growing. I feel we're growing long time. Send a request and come up in the box. You must reach back at your yard.
One government, one go on, mama, you got a conference, baby.
One government. We just did a call your name and a talk about the JPS thing. Why everybody want a box? Maybe gonna want a box if one government want come up. But Churchill.
Yeah.
You said it, you know. You see, we in the diaspora, we can appreciate what is happening in Jamaica more than those who are in Jamaica actually, because they are not seeing what we are seeing and they don't understand. You see, they live in the same environment, you know. So to them, they have nothing to compare to. But we who live overseas, we can make the comparison because we can see. We are seeing the changes. They're not seeing it.
All right.
So classic, they're the first one I go home, guys. Be safe. Me not lie. Well, I keep wrong today. Everything was perfect. Nothing went bad. The only thing we never like when time the Prime Minister did attack. People that walk out of the auditorium, but I understand still because they were hungry. So. Guys, me not lie.
Yeah, people, let me tell you, Lexi, all right. Remember, say
Lucky
people go with bus. And some bus no one wait till the whole crowd. So them start, cause in one of the divisional groups that I am in, I saw them writing in there that person should head to the bus now. You understand? So but that's why you see, and you see the thing is, this morning when we look, a lot of people from Westmoreland like them reach earlier than everybody else because of them up at front.
Yeah, so because I saw
they wanted to leave.
You know.
Yes, they might try beat the crowd. They might try left early.
Yeah, I saw Marcia today. Marcia come from where?
Neighbor from Negril, 5 o'clock this morning.
Yes. I'm not like. Big up to everybody will come out. Will come show the party them support. It was just a joy. Dean Jenna, I'm glad for the statement there you give Observer. Big up yourself, you.
They said the Jenna mash it up on Observer. The Jenna gone viral.
When
me see the Jenna hear me, watch the Jenna.
When coming on the seat, you know?
Drop the Jenna said, we want Mark Golden for come tell you what kind of time come.
Yeah.
We come from New Jersey.
Where you go?
Listen, the Jenna beat him. When need to go look for it. Did you not bust it up? Did you not viral out the road right now?
I him that me never know say I him.
Yeah,
Yes,
him.
man, I feel with Dijana, feel with boy Dijana make Observer front page.
Who's down there?
Hey, Dijana say me come from New Jersey, if they on the ground to make them know say one Jamaica live a party.
Me turn it up. Hear me out.
Andrew Holness, American, we're from New Jersey. Andrew forget a title. BNP, where I go? Time come for what? Me want to ask my Holness what time come for. Andrew has a message. Andrew has a plan. One party. Jamaica Labour Party.
Dijana mash you up.
Yeah, Ronald. We go out today, you know. I enjoy it for me and you, my co-worker.
Hey, let's see.
Yeah.
Andrew Holness drive the nail in a mark goal in coffee, you know.
Yo, man
Him
talk.
drive it,
You know, see, hey, Kizzy, you know, see Daddy Boss get up and say, Andrew, you talk my business, fuck.
Yes.
You see, man, already. You know, see, Mr. Bars that beat them like ass, my ride. Yeah, me say no. Me say me two device. Me watch it on my phone, in my car, and me watch it on my tablet. Me bring out my big screen with me.
Hey, Plank. Me tell you this, you see? You know what, me I gonna start go live on my platform, you know, because me I tell you see when me hear Andrew Holness touch base on the JPS thing, me say, yes, you know, say him listen. Him a listen to we, bro. Him a listen we. And
I see him think it's
right. No,
Yo,
because
boy,
guess what? Me show you a
that
style.
work still, so I'm not lying, that got
Watch
work,
out,
you know?
You see when time him go so bam. You see when him go so plan.
Them say they want broke the vase in Portland.
That
You know, you know the vase say, I want vase in can broke and I do in vase.
And him get broke from 2020.
The doing vase don't get broke already.
Man,
from
so me fuck him up
2020.
on 2020.
But you know, you see the JPS thing there. You see when time the PCT reduced to this from the 15 to the 7%, that I go benefit everybody where pay a light bill, you know. And watch
Entire
you know,
Jamaica.
member say
Entire
you know.
Jamaica. Selena.
Well, no Kizzy. Watch your Kizzy. Let me show you the next style too. You see, anytime that JPS contract they done and the 20 years I got done in that third term, you know. Hopefully, well not hopefully, we go get the third term and the 20-year contract when Dutty Farwell is signed, it I got done in that third term. Yeah, I mean no say. Me no say the terms them I got change. So things I look up. My love this.
Shana, I will implore every labor right, every single one away. We need to depend it every day, depend message, use the platform, put out the good news, put out the party achievements and stuff. We cannot depend on traditional media and we see where our message are reach. Sometimes we say the messaging one structure, but we see today, see the strength of the Jamaica Labour Party. All we need to do now is make sure that these people are on the voters list and we can find them when election day to then go vote. We don't want to hear somebody all out. Listen to me. I want to say something 1 minute there. Maybe I'm going to mute on the mic. Come on, everybody will listen to hear me clearly. We want to see how we talk. And we are talk about the whole issue of buying vote and if you pay people for vote. We, the Jamaica Labour Party, we are reject that. Because when our government are work into something for everybody benefit, every jack man benefit right across the board from the elderly to the young, middle class, upper class, lower class. You can imagine the problem with JPS and Water Commission and give people over the years. And now the government are give relief to everybody. Nobody not supposed to stretch out their hand, but they want a $5,000 figure vote. And they want a 10,000 and a 20,000. If PNP want go no the money, take it. But no say when you go behind the screen, you mark you X right beside the bell.
Listen to me, Kizzy. The man say, people who water commission for more than 2 years now, they are right off. So you get a clean slate.
Yeah, but Shanna, you ever try to rent a place yet and your ear say you can't get no water there or you can't get no light because the previous person left one bill there? And if you want, you have to clear off sometime 100,000, 200,000. You cannot get the property for you. You no light can't company land. No what because all bill did and JP black
and not even that it affects the transfer of houses or assets.
Yes,
on land. So if you have a land plank and you want to put the title or a house and you want to put the title in your daughter name or your son name, the fact say you owe a whole heap of water bill or a whole heap of light bill on it, you can't transfer it, to stay in your name. So no, this is a good thing. May I tell you, this is a good thing. Just wait and listen to me. Why you feel like PNP are run up and a beg Andrew Holness to call election? They just a ball, them a plead, Just wait until next year. Why?
You hear my boss say? My boss say.
Why?
My boss say, me can't talk everything for yes, So you just hold on until me read the budget in a March.
So much things to say right now. So much things to say.
Look here, Omar over for PNP long time. Then just run up and down and through Mark Golding and Dayton and all of them a pool their money together. Yeah, them a pool their money together and I use it to try trick people. That's why I see then they everywhere like madans. So you see they're all over Jamaica like red ants.
No man, it's
every week there's some about a spread propaganda. Appear tear down and demonization them depend propaganda party.
Message for the PNP, I'm telling you this. When I see Mark Golding run down in our work, because I run down in 2 municipal council and they know say the mayorship can change. Because if you mean no say the mayorship can change, then who no spend so much money in a year and town. I bet.
But you see the thing is, why you feel like them around down the municipal corporation and money,
Because they feel like they can control. They feel like see and lie at bonds will I go back in a council. Nah, go work.
And money.
More want to listen to what the big black tick man with our name again. Him responsible.
Bobby Montague.
Bobby Montague. I want to listen to him because I listen to all of them. Him said them are going to run an audit in every municipal council in the country. So no hold on, we don't have something coming PNP. We don't wait.
It's a plan instead of take care of the party work and them now to make sure.
All right, and the party work and them to get good taken care of. Me say a tooth, and when me go home tonight, me a go back over it and listen to it again.
Listen to it again to plan. Listen to it again. I love Montague's speech. Montague is a realist. When me hear Bobby Montague stand up, Bobby Montague say, listen, Andrew Holness make mistake, perfect, a blood.
I'm a human being.
The whole of it, but in my heart, they in the right place. Me say, all right, that is all me want hear. Because me make whole heap of mistake in my life too. But you see, once a man's heart is in the right place, Plank, no watch a mistake with them make. Them they are just learning process.
That night, hold on there, baby. That night, you need to listen. It come like Andrew Holness' speech alone you watch. The man said them are going to run an audit in every municipal council. So make them stay there. You want them to get jail. You can't ramp with government money.
But
taxpayer money.
it's supposed to run. It's supposed to run all the one them down Westmoreland. That shit.
Down Weapon, Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. My word, them a whole and for money. And you and I remember say down in Manchester there is a lot of corruption down there in the parish council. You hear?
Listen,
Me hear things, me just can't say it.
Olana, Kizzy, Manchester, Westmoreland, Spanish Town, St. Catherine and Portmore, then 3 municipal corporation there. Highway robbery. You me tell you? Highway robbery. And Mark Golin push out a whole heap of money in them two local government because why him feel like say if them win back Portmore, the Portmore, Indian Town, them are going to get back Clarendon Municipal Corporation, but he never by the law. He never by the law. The reason why I'm push out the money, because he know say if the municipal corporation turn over, him can dry it out back. That's why them run out so hard in a local government, because of the municipal corporation control the ground. You understand? Central government deal with international politics at the municipal, local government, and them control the ground. All of the market fee, the every other fee where you have to pay. People are keeping dance, you have to pay for put up poster, you have to pay for this alike for permit. A municipal corporation get all of them money there and hit the PNP a bang their head pan. Hit them a bang their head pan. And that is the reason why in a Wadia when time the government say, listen, no party now keeping a Mandeville. That's why the mayor run out and a course because he want the promoter them permit money. He want them permit money.
I remember say when they get permit, they still want to collect money from you on the side because they want go and then still extort you sometime. You have to be careful who you deal with in a parish council. And then you have the police them where you have to pay. Well, if I sit here, well, if I find the side hustle. So that's why they might run out. But then forget about what they don't get.
Anybody like box one come up, Kizzy?
Look, alright.
I don't know who I come in one giant, you know.
Nobody does that top box, you know. One box empty.
Yeah, the top box empty, so one giant can request.
Okay. Listen to me,
I have a request. Let me see.
Fly Green said this man, them bill, they make less than 50 for 4 years. And him alone, for the past couple of years, make how much farm road. They say, what more them people you want? What more them want? But just cannot get it. In blank. If a man used to
PMP, Shana PMP.
If a man used to do 5%, if a man used to do 5%, then you have one different.
When you fix every road in that Jamaica, PMP are going to say something. When you fix Jamaica and no problem, I do that PMP, so I got a problem there.
Well, as I can say, the Prime Minister was very, very much pleased with the crowd that he see. Iman said take him 8 minutes to reach from out of the gate to inside.
One thing me glad let's see man, big me up. Big up yourself, my boss. Me glad when the man big me up. Yeah, man. Man, to all of the people in the dance park.
It is going to be really interesting to hear where the PNP are going to say to come object now about this tax cut on electricity. It is going to be very interesting to hear them come spin it and twist it now. Of course, I'm going to find something.
Let me just have weird and to come tomorrow.
Fieval already gave an interview and she make it clear to them that they know how much to go cost the government and it is not a budget buster. So make them go away.
But they're going to say that them in plan about we find you out and talk. That's what they're going to say.
So electricity is going down now?
Yeah, the
Who does
taxes
ask that?
split.
Who
I
asked
never,
that?
me never catch all right, you
Oh,
know, come here,
Oh,
the
Junior.
bus
Junior.
figure, the bus, yeah, man,
Yeah.
me never catch all right, cause the bus to leave
The
before it
GCT
finish.
and the electricity it will go down. So we know say the
Junior,
GCT
the
at
Yeah.
man cut
15%.
GCT more than 50%.
From
Yeah,
15% to
to
7% now.
7% now.
7% now.
Eh? So like when
More
I get
than
my pay, me I get
50%.
more now. So like when I get
For
pay, me I get
electricity.
more, now less now.
Electricity then cut off. Cut it off.
Oh,
Electricity tax.
Yeah, for
You get,
people
all right,
for
and you
people who
get
has a
tip.
bill with the National Water Commission, and for people who has a bill a bill for the National Water Commission and they cannot pay
For more than 2 years.
for more than 2 years and they cannot pay for any reason at all, your bill will be cut in half. 50% gone.
Or more.
If
the good
you
move,
owe
man, the good move,
it's a
man.
100,000 at 50 grand you pay.
And he said no reconnection fee to whenever connect.
no
And
reconnection
no
fee.
reconnection fee.
Hold on, guys. Himself, those who have over 2 years will be wiped out.
Yeah.
Over 2 years.
Anybody water will cut off for 6 months.
And 6 months now, you will be down cut 50%.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have special
Yeah.
cases, like where you have high bills because of water leak or whatever, they can give further, adjust it further, you know?
Yeah.
Adjust the cut off, the percentage further.
And them also I got change some, them I got link with part and change some people to detect the water leaking.
You see,
Other part,
No part,
art.
You see, the thing is, Plank, what Andrew Holness do the man smart, you know, because this I go benefit the country, you know, because I guess more people are going to go back on the water commission
and this
network, so
and this is
more people are going to pay them water bill.
Yeah,
it come like me alone did not listen to him.
More people
You never hear the part, yeah. People will work and get tips. You know, I go get on a tip. Like him cut off some percentage off.
Him say them are look into the feasibility of that and we are going to hear more from the budget.
Right. It's a budget.
Fly green rip up the tank and blame, you know?
What do you mean?
Oh my God.
All the one when they pick them and get the card because school with.
Another one there. My boy, the way we are talking about, we say, them a go. The man say, when we build house, we build concrete house with good bathroom. When
Flush toilet. No, we don't build toilet with one drop. Hey, with one drop.
With one drop, they say.
One drop. Bobby met me laugh.
Oh, no, listen.
Bobby said we don't do one drop. We don't do one. We don't come chromas. We don't mute and give chromas attack. They can chromas in their conference.
All right, get cool with that.
Well, even people, what go on?
Even commas.
Yeah, like so no connection, I call them. We call like one different number, I call them from where from reach. I show it you.
No man, and me are calling.
Oh, like I rang Lexi. That's true, because somebody else we get a while ago. Man, we get funny.
Yeah.
I'm on here, Lexi.
I'm more than one Lexi on my phone still. All right, yeah, the conference is good. Never get for going inside still.
My general, what should I do? Should I go back in? I call when me call you and Lexi together.
Yeah? No, we don't know if it's Lexi. I know I'm still me walk up and I chuck up her. I'm saying,
I say if you do want to get back to Lexi, remember, say me call you and Lexi together on the phone. You should just go back into the WhatsApp and recall the number there.
Okay.
So Chuck did their conference?
Me no know.
No, Chuck Finley, you know, not Chuck Finley. Chuck.
Because I have been to see Miss Trini now, but I never get to see her.
Then chopper.
We book a machine out of door. I'm missing out of that part, man.
Philippine and all of them, the outer room.
No, Philippine and Chopper and Petal and
Well on the guys, well on. So 100 more buses come. And on the seat, Mr. Vaza extend it to rural Jamaica. How good is that? Hey man?
Yeah.
We know so them already include St. Thomas. You see the importance of good road?
Yeah.
I know St. Thomas. St. Thomas alone. From Kingston to up in your place.
Every rural city, every rural
but
city.
them want improve it to more places. But it is a good look because the truth is every country is supposed to have a public transportation system where people benefit from. Every country is important.
All right. Listen, this is part of what we not talk about. The Prime Minister say, you listen good enough. He might go give the picnic them key card. So when they take private transportation, even if they not take the government vehicle, they can pay them fare with the key card. You know hear the part there?
No, it's about some private
PPV. Private PPV.
To carry school children.
Right.
Yeah, so they can use the card with them.
Cashless system. Hold
on, Plank. Know there's an EPA system we're launching in schools. It launched in a school, but maybe a month or two now. If so much, yes, EPA, and they start the program in around 4 schools in Kingston, and them test it out now. So it gonna be so children them are going to school cashless. So your parents can upgrade the card and stay anywhere you put money on the card and the penny have if you use. You can do your budget.
EPA starting a BPO.
Yes, but in schools. But then gone within a schools now. Let's see.
No, in the boat.
EPA in schools. EPA in schools.
Have it. Some school did have it in a kizzy. Some school did have it like immaculate. Have it immaculate.
Well, maybe at them they start with first. We don't know. But they must push you out now in a more schools. I know, guys, there's so much things where they, as me tell you now, it was information, me head. Me have to go watch again in a quiet space, more relaxed.
Yes.
I want them have a system.
Hello. Me have to go to have my book and my pen and watch again and write and start writing.
Your son using a film school. That is good. Yes, man, you have to sit down and watch again and start put on the points. It was so much information.
The cashless system that we want to have in Jamaica, I like Cash App.
Well, the Prime Minister smart though.
Okay.
When go on the outside stage and look the maroon people.
Yeah, but it's as it should be. But they might get their highlight from inside.
Yeah, but me I say
big up Charlestown maroon them and the Moortown maroon them out of Portland.
But we don't do it like the people bring up our main stage, man. They know how to do it diplomatically. So the man deal with it outside after and smart. Chess move again.
So him not care up the something the man out there too. The FinSap man, Mishak.
No, sir.
No.
But he was there though.
Yeah.
So what people that I mean, no boy. I went. Andrew come in on the vibes, boy. I'm the wickedest thing never see to where when the man come in and it's not the arena, man.
Everybody I say, Andrew. It's nice.
Look at the police, the mafia push out people, you know. The police,
Yeah, man,
bar people.
Hey, when Andrew come in with the right at the entrance, there's one girl like she come over and say, Miss, me will kick you in your belly bottom. Cause you know me, none of them police are back to me.
Yeah, man, police never ask out to do it, man. I go on. Them thing, man. I don't never get to reach inside. I enjoy myself outside, so I'm not the line. I miss nothing.
Hey, Moody, thank you for the heartbeat.
You know, go around West
Look here, everybody across Delroy, baby, we need for Delroy need for go. And if Delroy don't understand, you need to stop go live on TikTok. It is sickening. Get yourself to moderator we have time to moderate in thing. You in a big JLP conference, you are bringing up PNP for disrespect people in your box.
This is what Labour right need to do. Stop go on Delroy live and me have to go over there go say, labor rights. You know, see man have dirty seed up here, disrespect, you know, and a disrespect with Prime Minister. And I see funeral song and all them thing there. I want to depend this, you know,
Listen
come
to me.
off of this man.
I think at Delroy live, yeah, me sure. Delroy, him is just all about how much views.
That him say, the man say him put up in thing for taps and roses and views. So that's why I'm going to go back for the live.
Hold on, guys. Who is that guy?
One guy will have one live. Me go unfollow him too.
Me unfollow him.
Me go unfollow him.
Me go unfollow him to plan because me on the joke with it, Delroy.
Me dey on the joke with him. Him say when the PNP and company thing, he get more taps and roses and more views.
I did say something true. Same time, with the moment him say it, come me did in a box one day when him say it, and the moment him say it, I come off and follow him immediately.
The man have Sydney up in a box and argue with the labor right them. And me just go to boop and go in there and me say, uno come off. Uno come off fight labor right. You have dirty thinking sitting in here, a disrespect the Prime Minister and a disrespect. Wait, uno come off.
Over there too. I think
Chroma's over there. I think I'm here. Oh, even Dark Knight did over there.
Well, Dark Knight, which one? Who is a different man? Because Dark Knight, I said that is another man.
No,
not Delroy Foot. Not Delroy Foot.
On a Delroy Foot. On a Delroy Foot.
A Delroy we have a green and white profile.
Yeah.
I think we're in Delroy Stevens. Delroy
you have one green and white profile.
No, Delroy Foot. Me know say you because you know.
No man, Delroy Foot on my virgin man. On a Delroy Foot man.
Platform to that Delroy.
Man, see have views in the pan. Views.
No, Delroy on a Delroy Foot man. Delroy, I know you man.
Hey Eleanor, welcome in, Sissy. Eleanor was beautiful at the conference.
Delroy Foot, I'm a father, man. Nah, like, I'm a rating.
Delroy Foot, I'm a church brother.
I say, let's see. If conference looks so, you know the amount of people no go.
One thing me have to say, I'll want to stop with them and sit up on the sidelines, yeah? And don't want to do what they are doing.
In Delroy
See their
Stevens.
business.
Me I go for me when me done, me I go for him and unfollow him and block him and delete him out of my thing. Him for go him on a labor right. Him for go.
Me agree with you. Me agree with your plan. Me agree
but guys, before me forget again. So I was in the conference, right? And this man will say, like me and Red and Tamara did have a discussion, and two other labor rights did have a discussion about the time I think it was Fly Green when he attack Dayton Campbell.
Dayton Campbell, if you say Candy. Baby. Dayton.
Yeah, there's something there.
Peter. You mean the Peter Jensek?
Yeah. And this man come and say, I go and do all of them afraid of Mark Golding. So I look on him shirt, I look on him face, and I wonder what go on beside of me. You see it? So I say, what do you mean by them afraid of Mark Golding, them not call him name and so I tell you this, me have to wonder if you're blood clot liberate or PMP no youth, you're a spy. So what we get to realize is you have a lot of spies in the crowd. If you report back. But everybody get the shock of them life because right now Marcus shit up him rascal self. Because him never know.
Yes, it does. Guys, Belina run headline says Integrity Commission certify Mark Golding in 2023.
Yes, Shana, we not look at them. We not even discuss that. And they're gonna labor rights 129 on the party live plus who the party for you. Left PNP make them run with that. We don't care about what I say. No, please not entertain no conversation about that. Leave that alone. We have enough information. We have enough information. We have a good party, a good clean government, and at that we say we not discuss them there. That's that night. So Lexi not easy. But the August man were afraid of that a big thinking man there, people are there in party. Cause in my background master. See that? See.
No way you say look while, man. You know when you say look while. Say it again, guys, so good.
No more pump up the left in the blood clot supermarket. I've done it done.
Hey, you see when Lexi ready, you get a friend don't get to there come out, you know, you Lexi.
Lexi, you're too pretty for that.
Lexi, the little dancer, then Guani, they look on them jiggy body.
Lexi. Me have to run with the phone a while ago because the Christian mother on the phone and me have to run with it.
One Alex Higgs in the house. Big up yourself, Alex Higgs. Alex Higgs, talk truth. Conference nicey.
Hey.
What conference?
When we go, we stay. So, can we run?
Mr. The conference nice, mighty God.
Is it don't again here? Next one you have to go reach.
You just leave out at church. Oh yeah, leave out for church now. When you say why you want ball Nicole? Why you want to ball? No problem, Alex. No problem. Big up yourself. Strong Labour Party fighter subs out there. If you do not follow Alex Higgs, you don't follow it up. Follow him up. One Rasta man on the app. Original Labour Right Foundation.
Me say,
It's a conference of a lot of fun.
Yes,
and clean and clear.
You know, so no
my opinion to grip. From me I watch conference till now and no conference in my little opinion. Best conferences me ever experience.
Well, you see the big difference between Labour conference and PNP conference. Look how proper this conference.
I guess the thing is, Uncle Church, I know me not see one offering pan. I beg money from them, from the supporters. I don't.
No, we don't do that. We don't do that.
Offering
it's not
pan.
church.
Me not
it's
see
not
no
church.
offering pan. Me not see
it's
no
not a
big
church.
pan. I walk and beg. See him like how PNP supporters beg.
Oh, we have got the Labour Right ansness.
Lexi, you see him like how the Labour Right supporters them beggy, I same way them leaders them beggy. You see when PNP used
PNP, you have said PNP, you have said.
PNP
No,
beggy,
you have said PNP members them.
You see?
You say Labour Right.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, the PNP them. You see same way how them beggy, I same way them leaders beggy. You see when time PNP in a power. Every minute they jump and plane gone all about in the Caribbean and big out them and a stretch and a big. That's why the people in front Trinidad used to could have this we saw. Because every minute
Trinidad did say if Jamaica think them a ATM machine. What an insult.
What an insult.
Yeah. Anyway, Akil Palmer, you're not back long while. You're not saying nothing. And Delroy Foot, one hour no. Talk quick.
Yeah, man, just coming to say, today was a good day for me, because guess what? Me is a church man, you know. And you know, so me cancel church, we cancel for conference. So you must know how happy I am today. Lexi, big up yourself, what go on? Plank.
Big up Delroy, so Delroy, you there?
No, man,
big up Delroy. Me there home today, Delroy. And me I tell her straight. Me say me want to stay till conference done.
Delroy, you there?
No.
Me not down there. Last night we have a concert, man, so I'm just going to come now. We have a concert last night, so couldn't come.
Yeah, man. I know you we are talking, Delroy Stevenson.
Okay, yeah.
I know Delroy.
Yeah, me see that guy have Sydney in him box today. Sydney, I say, oh no shame. Oh no conference looks up. And the guy looking at that chat whole of foolishness, man.
And I sing funeral song. I sing for himself.
Man, if I want time,
Nicolina, write that in the comments. No, write that in the comments because next thing people are gonna understand it wrong. Not no go so.
Did you know nobody? Did you know nobody from Portland went to the PMP conference?
PMP conference.
Yeah.
Nobody never got them conference.
No,
yeah,
from East Portland.
Oh, this is what she's saying. Might be able to get it wrong. The people them from Northeast when a PNP never got a conference, a beer imported and maybe that's what you mean.
Me don't understand. Akil?
Yeah, man, I mention man, but the car pick them.
Thank you, darling.
Oh.
Kizzy, your mic has feedback, you know. You draw on your screen. Draw on your screen, Kizzy. Unmute.
Let me tell you something. They say in time 1 million, me have my phone hot enough, one heap of message are coming from all both.
Blank.
So
Let's see. What I like about this conference too, it's very organized, brethren.
Yeah, man.
Very organized.
Then,
you can hear every word.
Right. May I ask one question? Me now cut you.
Yes.
With Prime Minister Chaka Chaka?
No. But I'm trying to say, the short announcement, what Desmond Mackenzie make up towards the conference. With the, what you call the thing, them with them blue and
Vuvuzela.
I'm telling you, man.
For sure, you're all labor right.
Exactly. Very disciplined, man.
Well behaved.
Yeah.
I hear when I said things that they need to more focus on their work too.
Yeah, man, we hear that, man. That now pass me.
Yeah, man, and the Prime Minister did speak about no, Bobby speech, man. Bobby, let me tell you, Bobby good on
man.
Bobby good on it regarding the issues were really affecting the party matters. He did, and it was something that needed to be said.
Yes.
And he got for everybody where did they? The party. Bobby good on the party message. Bobby delivered the message of the party to party supporters.
Yes, true. That is so true. I mean, I tell you no lie, I appreciate his message. I appreciate the honesty and everything in our message.
What about Bobby? We don't know what say. Bobby say now the people them in the bus and then have to still go back to the Brent bus short notice again.
I know that.
Unless you still at St. Mary.
Enough people. Nesta did about saying not have enough bus. Enough constituency it have a bus problem. More people than bus.
Yo, man, Bobby Montague show you how PNP a shit house.
It come like you all Portman and St. Mary want to migrate from the two parishes them to come at town.
Yeah. Me said the man said they might add Moran Bay to the JUTC fleet, you know. The bus that go start left from town go Moran Bay, you know. You see on the development there to send for us.
It's a good road though.
Yeah, road. That me just like select the road. It's all about the road.
See a good road though, so all who say road can yam seat and yam there now.
Yeah, man, Bobby Montague show you say them a shit house. He said my Prime Minister build house with bathroom inside and PMP build house with drop booth out door. So no a shit house. The PMP them a shit house.
Bobby said we don't do one drop.
We don't do one drop. We bathroom and we kitchen in our house. On a drunk crowd.
We don't do one drop. Mr. When he says something laugh.
Me know that message they leaked Angela Brownberg in our tumok. Our chest bonar.
Mr. Me have to replay it again. Mr. What Bobby Montague just said. We make concrete house. I want to make board house with tile it or the drop boof.
One drop.
One drop.
Bobby not play, man. We don't know Bobby a man full of vibes and I can wake up proud to man. He's tough, man.
Promise. You know who me didn't want to hear today, but me know that
Me ne want hear. Me ne want hear. Me ne want hear Warmington. Cause he would have caused some
too warm for them, man.
He would have caused some bad word up there.
Why me? That make indignatory they run out. They couldn't let go want me today.
Yeah.
They couldn't let go want
good too. That will vibes to man.
Hey, me know say Andrew Nena let out Warmington today at all.
Warmington
Daryl Valbila vibes to man, him tough to man.
Yeah, man. Warming say, oh, me prefer turn over here, so I make dog bite me. You feel like me want a white dog bite me? Eh? Oh, I wish one I lady. Hold on, I wish one I lady.
You know that breed that dog when you're all station.
Yeah, I wish one of them say, oh, no, see where my gold in a dog. I put chain round the Rasta man neck.
Juliet Cuthbert. Yeah.
And that's what I can do again.
But hold on. Because, you see, starting in February, if you are 18 or older and not on part, NIS or social pensions, you will qualify for a 20,000 check under needs assessment. I wonder if I can get for me 20.
Yeah.
Nicole, yes, Nicole. So, what? Look at her, man. Me think about any life. Me need to calm down.
When you get a 120 when you get about access to them now, they can go for the part and they can keep up with them.
Right now, PNP are mad out.
You know what that's gonna do to the electorate? That's gonna change things a whole lot. When a lot of these people are get more benefits, right? And rightfully so, because there are a lot of people out there that really need it, and they, for some reason, they're not on it. Yeah. But more so, guys, can you imagine when the next budget is ready? That's gonna be another kicker as well, because
we are gonna cut tax. We are gonna cut tax on certain things.
There's so much to say.
We're gonna lower income tax on certain things.
There's so much to say and so much to do. I think the next budget gonna be a dagger in the PMP heart. You watch.
Listen, the uppercut a come, man. Andrew just take time drive the nail in them cuff. Just take time drive.
Me have an idea what go on, guys. You know what I hear?
Yeah. No. Not on Daryl Vaz.
What plan can say no official nothing? What plan can say no official nothing?
Me not care.
I just speculation.
Me not care. Keep it. Me not on Daryl Vaz for the Prime Minister. Me said no talk with these man.
Lord Jesus. We're gonna cut the taxes for food.
Yes.
No, but that was already done, because on raw materials like meat and produce, we don't pay tax on at all. So if a $500 feet, a $500 feet.
We're going to lower tax on food costs.
Yes,
Tappy nice. Mute to the mic.
You say Omar right in the comments.
Mute to the mic. Because you see, nothing to me like one I will own out there. May I tell you, the Jenna gone viral. Oh, big up the Jenna.
Andrew Holness, Turken, Margaret of disappear. Mojo, we're from New Jersey. Future son. Because Andrew forget a turn. PMP, where not go? Time come for what? Me want to ask Margaret what time come for. Andrew has a message. Andrew have a plan. One party. Jamaica never plan.
That is it, the Jenna.
Time come for what? What time come for Marky British?
It's a mark I forgot hide.
No, but that's a while ago. No, read the comment Omar right a while ago. You see it?
Hold on, look for it.
Where Omar said, I mean, see it.
Him said they could have posted from morning, but they choose
not to post it. Look here, Omar, we done, so we're not talk about that. We're not talk about that, and we're not important to it. It not nothing to do with we.
You see, going forward, would want all of the platform them for just talk about what the government had do for help people life and nobody in the cast with PNP. Because me tell you, we waste time defending the government, our government, because what them do is them purposefully sit down and cook up lies, and then the time we fear educate the masses, we fear use it and defend the lie. Yeah,
Shanna, listen, we waste a lot of time with them because we allow them to set the narrative and the tone. They come out with something and we go on the defense. And we're not supposed to be on the defense. I mean, maybe not tell labor rights this long time. We set the narrative, not them.
The offense, yeah.
This is what we do,
set the
guys.
narrative, not them.
This is what we do. We waste time with them.
The PNP, them well and there. They but what them going to say? Them have to sit and quiet.
We waste time with them and war against one another.
Yes.
We waste time with them and war against one another and cause a rift between each other. Yeah, me can't talk for that because me I want warrior too. Me I tell you.
Yeah. Why am I not tell no lie? I love the message today. I appreciate when I listen to Bobby Montague, man, me say yes, this man, that man talk to people. Him not depend no sugarcoat nothing, him just talk it as it is. Yeah. Because me not go sit down and go on like say, Andrew Holness is just a man. Him is just a man with a heavy burden upon him head top.
You ever hear in a parliament yet?
Yeah, understand. Just
advocate for the death sentence. When he say, you fi hang them dead. You ever hear Bobby Montague on that yet?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
But you have to come with something, you know. You have to come with something if you fight crime, you know.
Plain speaking.
You have to come with something where you can fight crime. Because if a boy knows he get catch with a weapon and him a go, him a go unalive. Him a go think twice if he go take up a weapon.
But you see, the thing is, Plank, that is not a problem, you know. Yeah, but you know, at the PNP, our problem, you know. At the PNP, encourage crime, you know. May I tell you, say, me witness, me see Dr. Chang come out and advocate for higher sentences. Dr. Chang advocate for the judges, them give mandatory minimum, because what we get to understand that the legal system now, them range the sentencing. So for a certain crime, then we have say.
Bertie, hold on, Shanna. Bertie, I don't know about that, you know. I cannot speak about what will come in the next budget. We can only speak about what was said today on the platform. And what was said, that's why Plank could not be careful on to say, you know, because you that talk about that and see Bertie, I say they not cap blacks. Me don't know where Bertie get it from. But me don't know about that Bertie. And GCT cuts and electricity. That is the only GCT cuts me.
Me don't know Bertie yet. Me don't know Bertie yet.
Well, I make my point. What I was saying is that for certain sentences, right? Yeah, on the books right now, the sentencing would be between, say, 9 to 16 years, right? That is just the sentence, you know, between 9 to 16 years. And then no, it based upon the judge discretion now to decide if them are going to give you what them are going to give between the 9 to 16 years. They can't give you no less than 9 years and they can't give you no more than 16 years. So what Dr. Changa say is, may there be a mandatory minimum. And the PNP fight it. You me tell her, them no want crime solved in Jamaica. Them no want it solved. The government a try, brother. But you see that two government system, yeah? That's why sometimes me not have no problem with one system government, you know, once you have a government who actually care for the people, you know, because the bureaucracy will come with that two system business. Yeah, that's why we cannot reach nowhere 60 odd years later, because when the JLP do the PNP, them come and undo. The JLP want to do something good, then fight against it.
Shana, let me add to that. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Nice to be here after conference. Although I didn't get to attend personally, but I watched it. So Shana, the issue with that sentencing thing, is the fact that there are three arms of government, as we all know, and the judiciary is an independent arm of government, right? And the problem we've had since 58, from what they call adult suffrage, was that the PNP was always a party of lawyers. And from then up to this day, the PNP has always controlled the judiciary. Up to this present day, the PNP controls the judiciary, right? So you find that they are able to influence much easier the outcomes in many matters, including whether we have mandatory sentences or not, because it was a party founded with majority lawyers.
And them station them lawyers in a key positions.
Yes. Up to this day, they control the judiciary.
Go ahead.
One second, Plank. But I really want to go on the I really want to go on the issue of the JPS and the reduction in the tax charge on electricity, because I don't know if many people know how significant that is going to be, especially coming from the fact that we had our own power utility company sold by the PNP, right? And on top of it, we had a voodoo economics minister, Omar Davis, that implemented GCT. He is the one that implemented GCT, right? And on top of it, they sold JPS. Now we have a government that is not only reducing it, but also increasing the power capacity at the same time, because you can't do one without the other, because had they just reduced the tax, you'd find that the demand and the supply would have been too great. So it was the right thing, one, to increase the capacity at the same time you're making the reduction. So clearly you see a government that is thinking and that is looking at things properly. Right? So you're increasing the generating capacity at the same time you're reducing the tax and so that when the demand
increasing.
Right. So that when the demand hits the grid, it can be sustained. You won't have power outages and stuff like that.
And the people them where thief light them are gonna fix for them thing too, so they can tap thief light.
But PNP not gonna stop thief light in a plank. So boy, we shouldn't even hold our breath for that one day.
Them are gonna pay the prepaid, man. Them are gonna pay the prepaid.
Plank. You know a place named Back2? You must know a place named Back2. The fancy name is Majestic Gardens.
Majestic Garden, right behind 3 Mile, sir.
Yeah, when the goalie at the pit latrine.
Yeah, man.
You see them people there pay light? Listen to me, it's the first time we go in that place there. We couldn't see the sky,
Dirty, we want to say something to you.
We couldn't see the sky. So, one thing, we're happy that those who want to regularize will regularize and will become paying customers at a reduced price. You understand? And that will be good. So, yeah, the government is working. I think our approach now should be getting the uncommitted on board. Because what I saw recently with the by-elections in the Ian Town and the Morant Bay where the PNP won, it wasn't so much that they had support, is that they got their bases out. They got their base out. And the fact that they got their base out, they were able to come off with the wins. And I'm looking at it that if we are able to get the uncommitted to be committed based on the progress that we are making in terms of developing the country, then we won't have to worry about a PNP base.
Right, Dr. B.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to say something to you.
Go through.
See, you think it's about the lawyers them and whatever. We call it the
judiciary.
Yeah, yes. You see that? And I really said PMP control it, you know. That's what we talk all the while. The PMP, the lawyers and the doctors and all of them support PMP. Them always put politics over their profession. We're not supposed to happen, brethren. That is the problem.
Chromas. The Norman Manley Law School wasn't just named Norman Manley Law School, just so you know.
Chromas, you give one bad feedback. One bad
feedback.
But Chromas,
listen,
you said they're not professional. That's how, but exactly that's why them control the judiciary. But
yeah, but what may I say? But by right, if people that deal like most countries, and Jamaica alone say that no matter which party they lean to or whatever, you're not supposed to put parties over your profession. That's why we tell the PMPs that
Chromas that happening in every country, man. Trust me, that happening in America. That happen. Yes.
No, so bright. Not so bright up like what we that
over. Just cool, man. A politics name in the Chromas.
Listen to me, I say, there are countries like America, even at some country in Europe, as bad as thing be. There are certain things that them have neutral grounds and whatever, them not play and them don't put politics over the profession. They're telling them be professionals.
Certain things, but I'm telling you that majority of things they put their party first.
That is very rare because human beings have them personal biases. No care where you check you out. Very
remember
rare.
Remember the discussion on me and Black King have last night?
Yeah.
Remember the discussion on me and Black King did have last night?
Yeah.
But the same thing we did talk about, man.
Yes, man.
Them love, them PMP no love nothing. Create. Them
remember
love
Chromas. Side of that. Remember the school, you know, even the school that trained liars didn't get his name Norman Manley Law School, just so you know.
Yes, what I'm telling you,
they have controlled the judiciary from 1958.
Well, not to be. I understand everything I say. I understand you talk about the PMP. But at the same time, not just the liars them alone, even the doctors, them, all the people in the profession, them put the civil servant on all, them put politics over them profession, brethren. Majority of them.
Good. Now hear what you say, but just listen to this part. Chromas, when the PNP was formed, it was formed by all lawyers. That's the point I'm trying to get across. Every member was an attorney at law.
And that's why them used to call we dirty foot labor rights.
Yeah, no,
every
but no.
member was an attorney at law.
I know say that's all educated people. Not whoever they, and not all of them was liars.
I'm talking about the people who formed it.
Listen to me, I say, no, my brethren. I never listen. Give me a minute. Let me say something. I say the people who formed it, not all of them was lawyers, brethren. They were educators. They were some of them bright people. They said they were educated people.
Some other people come along the way. All right. You know that the PNP expelled 5 members in the early stage when it just a farm? It expelled 5 of its founding members.
But what may I
and taking new members.
Yes, but what may I tell you? Not even farming the PNP was not even normal the idea. You didn't know that?
You hear me I say? I know
them just choose him.
You know what them
choose him? He was a road scholar and in the law thing. That's why them choose him as them leader. I never feel idea for starting the PNP. Norman Manley. If it was Norman Manley alone, the PNP wouldn't start neither. I tell you that.
But what may I try to say to you is from 1958, they grouped together and they set out and the party, and 2, they set out and controlling the judiciary. They even named the school that trained lawyers after Norman Manley. Their founding party leader, the pioneer of the party.
Well, that school never existed before Norman Manley.
I don't think that school exists before Norman Manley.
Yeah.
I don't think that school came in. I think that school came in after independence.
This is what I say, my brother.
So it would not have existed before Manley.
So Norman Manley, they train in England, them never train in Jamaica.
Yes, yeah, of course. Everybody train in England them days for law.
All right. Yes, all right. Yeah, man, I say.
That's why. Hold on, the guys. 1 minute.
Guys, no, we're not going to show off with
Plank.
argument in a man.
Plank Wallan, who is this? White Nice Jamaica. I've never seen you before. Welcome to the box. All right. If you go on tea time, I'll kick you out. White Nice. All right. You're not that. Okay. Bye.
We're going to do this still. All right, not to be. We now continue. Just stop it right there, okay? Now
Yeah,
all right.
yeah, now I'm going away. Let's make we go back on the topic them we did upon. Please.
Yeah, what I look on is that the government has done well with the initiative of reducing the cost on electricity, which is a big plus. A big plus.
But man, you hear also about the water NWC ones too, right?
Yes,
you address 2 pain points will affect every Jamaican. So it is not just JPS issue, also the water issue. So big point.
Yeah. The JPS issue to me is the biggest one. Why? Because remember, it has a what you call like a domino effect. Because remember now, a reduction in the cost of electricity, meaning that more production can take place, even small businesses. So a kids, can decide, well, if it's 7% I'm gonna pay on electricity, me can start a little manufacturing business.
Water is just as important, You did not say if you don't have water in your business place. If you don't have water in your business place, say by right if you close. You didn't know
but you talk about certain business kids. You talk like business where deal with food and them thing there. Majority of business entrepreneurs. The first thing they look at is power. Because of power.
Let me say something there too. You must understand, say, even the electricity affect the water to car. Remember, say, some of the pumps they use like
electricity drives the pump. The electricity affect everything.
They're going to work out good. They're going to work out good anyway. You take it out.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the GCT and the electricity is significant because it will drive up productivity and production, meaning that you can have more manufacturing, more export, more foreign exchange.
Not to be, and I understand the water commission and one of JP's biggest customer too.
Yeah. But remember what I'm trying to say is
the water commission, water bill, light bill, current bill can go down to go better. Too.
Yeah. I understand that, but I always look at what all the big businesses always say when they look at Jamaica. Them say the cost of energy too expensive. They never really say water, They always say the cost of power too expensive.
That's why the same thing.
So they can't come Jamaica to set up.
So although the water import and the energy affect even the water too. That means it affect everything. So and the energy the right thing if you attack first. So everything because that's going to make competition in the more in the country.
So
the
when I heard that
the business people over it can be better.
Because even when I heard that, it said to me that if me decide now, so well, me want to come set up a business then. It look prosperous. Because if a 7% mega pay per energy.
Yeah.
That look good.
Yeah, of course. I have the better feel. That is a loose around the neck, brethren.
That is it.
That's what I think.
As a loose put on with it by the PNP by 1, selling the company. 2, implementing GCT. 3, giving them a monopoly. The PNP do bad with that company there, So what the government is doing with that company right now, I don't think people even appreciate the magnitude yet of what is to come.
Listen,
because JPS
sorry to interrupt.
Go through, man.
But you see Andrew Holness, at the next 30 years from now, Jamaica people are going to appreciate Andrew Holness. See, let me tell you, just remember you hear it from me first.
I don't really trust them, Sharon, because them can be very ungrateful,
No, them are ungrateful, no, because them not understand. And now people start
I see what you say.
I see what them do, Eddie, and I know people start appreciate Eddie when PG trap them both left, right, and center. At them time they then start appreciate Eddie. So you see Andrew Holness And the next 30 years from now, people are going to understand the magnitude
Yeah, man,
of
that's
what
true, man.
Andrew Holness do. Because
Jamaica
Yeah,
people
I agree
understand it.
with you. I agree with you.
you see,
They don't understand
8
it, taking them back
years,
against the wall. That shit I tell you.
so you see,
Yeah.
8 consecutive years of no new taxes. You know how significant that is? You know how big of an achievement that is? And people don't appreciate it.
And not just that, no new taxes, and this government has been consistently giving back to the Jamaican people. Right now, Jamaican Labour Party have more socialist programs. And we are not this. We're more socialist, more than socialist, because we have the programs them to give back to people.
Right now, the JLP have more benefits
Way
for
more
the
benefits.
small people.
Social programs they're called. We are the real party we love the poor.
But you see, Kizzy,
and try to uplift the poor.
Kizzy, me show you a style. Edward Siagas, why they say? Eddie say it takes cash to care. It don't make no sense. You get up and tell people oh you love them and you care about them and you cannot help them. You have to have money for help people. And what Andrew Holness do is use the 2 first term, fix the economy where PNP wreck. Right? You have to stable the economy first before you can give away. You can't just come down and mash up the economy, come just a give away. So when time you reach rock bottom, what you go do? You go left dry and then you have to go jump on the plane, go Trinidad, go stretch out in and beg so then can disrespect we again.
That's what Omar used to always do. When the time come on to election, he give out a lot of goodies and run the economy and to erect and the NIR and everything. And then now try to win the election and come back in with nothing in the coffers. Nothing to run the country.
God, I give you ass and shit to your ribs.
One thing me know, you see, when the Prime Minister finished speaking, and Desmond walk over, you could have seen the proud, like Desmond was so proud. He was beaming, the man, I could feel it, may I tell, and then they say, I love you, Lord. Conference. Wow, may I tell you. Guys, I'm ready for go to bed. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we catch up again.
Yeah, man, thank you, man, for having me.
We are gonna go through all the points. And we are going to bask in our glory. And we not listen to no locust. We not focus on no locust. No time. We have every reason to be proud. Every reason. And no labor right or no well-thinking Jamaican. Even if you are not labor right, there is no way. If you are any person with ambition, if you're a human, if you're a Jamaican with ambition, tonight, just look over it. Put away your bias and know, say, when the Prime Minister call the election and do the right thing, you better hold on to what you not got. All right?
Yeah, man, I just want to say to them too that if you get an opportunity like this and you don't vote for this government, try no so when the PNP come in, you're not getting any reduction. Is an increase you're going to get?
No joke. No joke. Big up on yourself, labor rights. I love you know, all you know. Beautiful, good, clean, nice labor rights. Everyone at the labor rights from whichever walk of life you know there. Just stay upon message, focus. Stop listening to propaganda. Stop listening to propaganda. See you tomorrow. Have a good night and a blessed night, everybody. Big up on yourself. Show. All right, night.